Restoring confidence, one lesson at a time. My son's homeschooling testimony. In 2020, when the world paused during the lockdown, God opened a quiet window in our home, not just to teach, but to heal. My son was 8, struggling badly with reading and maths. In class, he was distracted, confused, and losing confidence. School felt like a burden, not a place of growth. When the lockdown came, I knew in my spirit, this was my chance to step in. We started from scratch. Slowly, lovingly, intentionally. Letter sounds, blends, tricky words, spelling, story flow. And within just 2 terms, he was reading fluently, right at the level of his peers. By primary 5, he had completely caught up. Maths was a different kind of mountain. He forgot concepts, mixed them up. Even counting was hard. So we went back to basics. Numbers, simple operations, counting practice, songs, rhymes. We danced through multiplication tables. And slowly, the fog lifted. There was one thing he never forgot. Stories. He lit up when talking about history, geography, and sports. So I leaned into that, giving him books about heroes, cultures, and adventures. Even cartoons he loved became tools for learning. And slowly, joy returned. Today, he's reading at grade level, writing independently, solving maths with confidence. And most of all, he enjoys learning again, all by God's grace. Parents, start where your child is, not where the system says they should be. Use their interests as the open door. Don't compare. Uncover their design. God didn't give you that child by mistake. His grace is present, even in the messy, everyday moments at the dining table. Homeschooling isn't just academics. It's ministry. It's watching God restore a struggling child to wholeness. To Him be all the glory. Like and subscribe. Press the notification bell for more homeschooling tips and encouragement.